Hi, my name is Kay from GEM Financial Modeling Academy, and so today I'm going to take you through the fourth type of timing flags that you can have in a financial model. And so that type 4 is periods in between two event dates. So as you can see in this diagram, periods in between two event dates, and here we are going to be representing those periods between two event dates with our project period flag. So our project period spans from 1st January 2021 to 31st March 2025, and so we want to create a flag for our project period. So with that is you are going to write a simple if statement with an AND function. Here, our financial year start year must be greater than the project start date, while our financial year end date will be lesser than our project end date, so that we can capture the period in between these two dates. Alright, so that's what we want. That's the formula we want to write now. So I'll say if, then use an AND function. Then so the first logical, we're writing two logicals. The first logical will be where the financial year start date is greater than or equal to the project start date. So I'll log the project start date with F4. So we want to capture the period in between these two periods, the project start date and the project end date. So our financial year timeline should be greater than or equal to the project start date. So that's the first logical, comma. The second logical will be that our financial year end date is less than or equal to our project end date. So I'll log that as well with F4. Alright, so these are the two logicals that we need in order to capture the period in between the project start date and the project end date. By mere using equals to, it means the project start date is inclusive and the project end date is inclusive. Alright, so I'll close the AND function, and the if function will continue. Value if true will be 1, return 1, and value if false will be 0, and that's all. And replicate this forward by pressing Ctrl Shift forward arrow, Ctrl R. Alright, so as you can see that our one starts from 1st January 2021, which is our project start date, and the project end date is 31st March 2025. So let's go to see that 31st March 2025, as you can see. So this is how to create a timing period that tends to flag the period in between two dates. Alright, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do, and also hit the notification bell so that you can get our subsequent videos. Alright, see you next time.